KC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend. It looks like it's going to be a breezy and mild one. Downright windy for tomorrow. The winds diminish a little bit on Sunday. Few showers in the forecast, but the threat of severe weather is done with locally. It's all going to be to our north, and that is the good news. The bad news is unsettled weather pattern, plenty of clouds, and on and off rain chances well into next week as well. So let's go outside and take a look outside of Crowley this afternoon. And a beautiful day with cloud cover and breezy conditions and temperatures warming up. And hey, this guy right here, oh, how cute. Let me give you a little scratch right there. Yeah, he's just kind of pondering the weather pattern, waiting on the sunshine like us all. So yeah, he's just really still out there. A very pensive squirrel here on a Friday afternoon. So let's go kick it upstairs and take a look at the big weather picture. Showers in the southeast and back to the west. Lots of snow. Snow continues across the Sierra Nevada. We've been saying that every day, all through the Intermountain West, through the Rockies, now up across the northern high plains, the northern Midwest, where winter storm warnings have been hoisted. And it looks like it's going to be an active weather pattern. Nation's midsection over the next week. I mentioned this online on Facebook. That means more water coming down the Mississippi, also the Red River, and then we'll be looking at this snowfall melt as we get into the latter part of March, April, and May. So the water is going to be high coming down the Mississippi and Chafalaya for quite a while. We have some near-term crests, but more crests on the way as we finish out the month and go into April. Now, locally, lots of clouds and some sprinkles showing up, misty drizzles across the area, and unfortunately, we do have some lighter showers that will be pushing through Lafayette. That's kind of mess up a little bit of our downtown alive for just a little bit. Brief showers. They'll both be mostly light, but enough to wet the ground in spots. So we have rain chances 20% tonight, closer to about 40 or 50% for Lafayette Parish over the next hour before things settle down into just a typical occasional misty drizzle and spit out there through the overnight hours. Got up to 75 today, currently upper 60s to lower 70s across the board, and as we put futurecast in motion, it stays mild and it gets windy as we head into tomorrow morning. Look at the storms exploding well to our north. Severe weather outbreak likely all the way up through Missouri into portions of Arkansas and maybe as far back southwest as the Arklatex, but the greatest risk of severe weather northern part of the state, and then off to the north and east into Mississippi and western Tennessee. For us, not much shower activity, 20% on your rain chances. Temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 70s. Best rain chance comes Saturday night as this frontal system gets close to us. So we'll go 50-60% chance. Just showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. No severe weather. Then Sunday, the frontal boundary becomes nearly stationary or quasi-stationary across the area. That means unsettled pattern, scattered showers, maybe a thunder shower with that front in the vicinity. In fact, rain chances could be a little bit higher Sunday going into Monday as this front isn't going anywhere, and temperatures cool to the north in the northern part of the state, but mild to the south. I think we stay mostly in the 70s over the next 4 to 5 days. That severe weather threat, the marginal threat now from central Louisiana on northward to a slight risk in the northern part of the state, and then an enhanced risk of severe storms that will produce damaging winds and hail and maybe a few strong tornadoes. Hopefully not a repeat of the last severe weather event, but certainly the possibility of a couple of potent tornadoes for our friends off to the north. And we see this on the tornado index as we go through noon tomorrow. Highest indices look to manifest across northern Mississippi, so this will be the spot that we watch. There could be a couple of strong tornadoes up there. Locally for us, the only main issue will be the wind. Gusty southerly winds sustained 15 to 20 tomorrow, some gusts to 25 to 30 tomorrow afternoon, so keep that in mind. It certainly will be a windy day. Breezy night ahead, few sprinkles, patchy mist and drizzle possible with rain chances for most of the night, 20%, but it's a little bit higher than that right now in Lafayette Parish. And then for tomorrow, we'll keep rain chance at 20%, a few passing showers. It's just going to be a windy and warmer day. Temperatures pushing the upper 70s, maybe near 80 in a few spots. Sunday, Monday, unsettled pattern with scattered showers and thunder showers. Tuesday should be a dry day, warming up into the upper 70s to near 80, and then pretty good chances of showers and storms late Wednesday, then again late Thursday. Maybe a severe weather element to the storms come Wednesday night. We'll have to watch that. And then to decidedly cooler air returning to Acadiana, and hopefully a couple of sunny days. I might be wish casting here, but maybe a sunny weekend with temperatures about 10 degrees below normal. But hey, we'll take the sunshine.
Yeah.
Just like what we had on Mardi Gras. It was cold, but boy, that sun felt
nice.
good.
Definitely helped, yeah.
Right.
I think I got sunburned.
He did.
Actually.
Jim came back and
Skin's
was like,
starting
oh.
to peel right now. I was like, what is this? A preview, I guess, right?
Exactly right.
Thanks, Rob.
More to come.
Yes, I think so.